Want you to fall in deeper. 보여줘 나의 미소. We're doing a rendezvous, baby, right now. I keep dreaming it's not enough. I pick you up every time we do. We play cause we know this feeling's new. I've been in uptown, girl, since I met you. Oh no. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. My love, my love, my love. We'll take it by the show. Cause I want you right here when you're calling out. Just tell me you want it more. Do it night and day, make your body sway. And now I'm floating in your ocean eyes, hypnotized, falling right head over heels. Still lost in your ocean eyes. No surprise, it's you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. My love, my love, my love. Oh, 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 oh. Cause your love is all I need. Oh, 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 oh. Your love is all I need. Oh no. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. My love, my love, my love. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. My love, my love, my love.
Give me a moment to be sincere. Feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate. But I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. Keeping it between us two. No matter what we go through, I stay true. But can we survive?
Happy Monday. Happy Martin Luther King Jr. Monday. How are you guys doing on this Monday? I hope everyone is doing well. I'm doing well. We got some snow last night. I am out here picking up a few things this morning. Well, this afternoon now. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am TJ Naquay, and my channel focuses on everything lifestyle, everything positive, living well, caretaking, wifing, mothering, and all of those things, with a little bit of shopping here and there. So far this is my 4th YouTube video, and I am so glad that I decided to jump in the ocean and take a deep dive onto this journey. I would love for you to come along this journey with me if you are interested in those things that I just here mentioned. So I am in the parking lot of Target. And one thing I should mention, okay, if you're not going to see anything else here, you are going to see multiple rounds of Target, grocery shopping, Aldi, just local grocery stores, but especially my girl Tarjay. Okay, you are going to see Tarjay, and coffee. Okay, those are the top 2 things that it's gonna never fail. It's never fail. Okay, that's gonna be a never fail. So I'm sitting in the parking lot. I'm about to go inside. I have some household things that I need to pick up for the next 2 weeks, and that's what I'm doing. It's cold, but not as cold as it's going to be for the rest of the week, okay? It's going to be like below 0, so that's why I'm out today. Luckily, there's not a lot of traffic, so I'm good. So let's go on and go in here in Target, pick up these things so I can get back home. So I am back in the house, and I have not had any coffee this morning. So I'm about to make me a cup of coffee. And on the agenda today is I'm about to do this juice so we could have our juice for the week. And I'm trying to decide what I want to eat. I'm about to make me some lunch. I think I'm going to make me a crab salad toast because I found my salad dressing that I like to make that with. First I'm going to have my coffee. That's the first thing I'm going to do. And then I'm going to cut the fruit up for the juice. I'll probably cut the pineapple up while I'm having my coffee so that I could put it in the fridge, because I do like it to be a little bit chilled when I am juicing it. And I don't know what I'm making for dinner tonight. I have not decided that just yet. Those chicken wings last night were bomb.com. Something quick for sure, because I probably make my chicken noodle soup tomorrow, because it is going to be frigid as I don't know what come tomorrow and for the remainder of the week. And here is what I'm talking about. This right here. So I got that, and then I picked up this artisan style multi-grain sliced bread, because I like to use the multi-grain bread with my crab toast, or either sourdough or this. Well, I've never had that. I saw it on a Trader Joe's Instagram that I watch. And then here is the ultimate chili crunch onion seasoning, and then these were super duper good. I had these on my coffee station during the Christmas, and they still have them out, so I picked up some of those. And I got some pizza sauce here because I may make some pizzas. And this sofrito is a staple in my pantry. I don't have a pantry. This, I love this stuff, like love it. So I got that, and I love this as well. I always have this. This is very good on eggs. I use that. Of course, I got the trusty griddle cakes that everyone was going crazy over. My daughter loves these. I love giving them to her in the morning for a quick breakfast. We also love these hash browns right here. Love those. What else did I get? Oh, I got some coconut water to also incorporate in my juice for more hydration. I got the squiggly noodles. I've never tried these, so I'm gonna try those I wanted to put these in my chicken cilantro dumpling soup, but I don't have it. Got some sweetened hot jalapeno peppers for salads. I got some mushrooms for my miso soup. And what else did I get? Oh, and then my daughter's favorite, I got some bay leaves for my chicken noodle chicken. So I picked up the butter chicken for her. Yeah. And that's it. And the rest of everything is some more of the griddle cakes and 2 more things of the miso broth. Y'all, I definitely had to invest in a new Swiffer mop. Like, the Swiffer that we had was from our old apartment over 10 years ago. It held up. It kept us. We got our money's worth. But I went on ahead and I had to get a new one. So that one is going to the basura, because it you know what, the piece that you like stick the cloth in, just one of them is a little bit bigger than the other ones, but nothing is actually wrong with it. But that's going in the trash. I do have the purple one that you squirt the liquid out of that carries the batteries, but I don't even use that one. I like the old trusty one. I'm here trying to finish setting up my coffee station, right? And so I got these Valentine mugs from Aldi last week, and I thought they were small, but to my surprise, they are a substantial size. So I'm gonna display these on my coffee station. And when I opened the box inside of Aldi, I was like, wow, these are really, really big. And they were $10. They came in a clear and also in this pink. And look how they are big. Really nice in size. So I'm gonna put these on my coffee station. Well, actually on top of this espresso machine that I have not gotten into just yet. And this is my newest sign that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I already had this one from a few years back. But yeah, so far so good. I'm loving it. I think it looks cute. Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to my channel. I don't even think that I came on to do an introduction. Where are my manners? I am so sorry. Today I am in the house. I don't have anywhere to go on today. I am about to mop these floors really quickly. I am trying to finish putting my coffee station together for Valentine's Day. I love putting a Valentine's Day edition coffee station together because of the pinks and the reds and all of the little cute decor that they come out with. So that is what I am in the process of doing right now. I'm caught between if I want to make me another cup of coffee, because that coffee that I had this morning was on the money. It was really, really good. But also it is lunchtime. I did not even eat breakfast, and that is so bad. But I did have breakfast yesterday. So that's better than nothing. I've already taken my vitamins, and I juiced last night. So with my lunch, I'll probably have my pomegranate and beet juice, which I absolutely love that combination. It's super good. If you are into juicing and you haven't tried pomegranate and beet, amazing. Tonight for dinner, we are having beans, rice, and cornbread, and we are having Great Northern beans. I was going to make some pinto beans, but I changed my mind. I wanted navy beans, but then I was like, I don't have those because I made them probably like last month. So that's what we're having tonight. It is freezing outside. It is super cold outside. It's going to be super duper colder tomorrow. It's going to feel like 1. So yeah, I don't even know if I'm even up for going outside tomorrow. I'm not sure if I shared with you guys these K-cups that I got from Aldi. I brought my Keurig back out, not because I was making room for something else. And so I saw these last year and I was like, oh, these look interesting. Like the flavors look interesting. So I brought my old trusty Keurig back out. I picked up 2 of these Cupid's Brew coffee collection, and I'm just trying to finish off this coffee station. And where is my these spoons are definitely too cute. Definitely. This is the pink, and this is the red. you.